how can online learning particularly build and extend researchers' confidence, and how do you envisage the new course supporting researchers and institutions?
Well, I think the great thing about an online space or medium for learning is that learners can take things at their own pace, and especially with quantitative work, some people take a little bit longer than others in order to fully grasp a concept. And I'm a great believer in sort of repetition, and I feel practice very much does make perfect with regards to quantitative techniques. So when you have online resources, screencasts, and these sort of explanations of particular models, then at a learner's own pace, they can study it as many times as necessary until they feel they have the aptitude to apply it to their own data sets. And I often think learning about statistical analysis, it's a bit like learning a language, in that to become proficient in a language, I'm going to oversimplify here, but I always think of it, you need to know sort of your vocabulary and your grammar, you need to know the words, and you need to know the correct grammar rules for putting those words together. Then with repeated practice, over time, the fluency comes. Of course, some people are quite natural linguists, and they can perhaps pick up a new language quite quickly. For others, it's a bit of a longer slog. And I think it is very much analogous to sort of statistical analysis. One really needs the equivalent of the sort of vocabulary and the grammar, specifically the different kinds of statistical tests and models, how to actually execute them, using whichever software platform one is using, and of course how to interpret those results. So with repeated practice, and this is where people will vary dramatically in terms of their pace of learning, then having an online medium of instruction does allow learners to take things at their own pace, a sort of more personalized learning experience.